Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is polynomials. So before starting this topic, we should know some basic things about the polynomials. So firstly, start with the constant. Constant means fixed. Means it is a particular value, or in the terms of mathematics we can say that the value that cannot be changed. The value that cannot be changed, that is constant. Okay, in constant we can take all integers. Here come to the point that I am indicating integers. I am not indicating natural numbers, whole numbers. I am simply indicating integers because integers consist of all positive and negative with 0. Means in polynomials all these three terms can be there. All these three terms can be utilized as per the constant, means positive and negative, all terms can be utilized here. Now coming to the next, after the constant we have the variables. Variables means which varies. It varies from equation to equation, question to question. That's why these are known as the variables. Means its value is not fixed. Value is not fixed. It changes from equation to equation and question to question. You might have solved many type of question in mathematics by supposing. Suppose the speed of bus is x, or the time taken by a boy is y. Means in every terms we take a variable. So we can say that all alphabets can be utilized as variables. A to Z, whatever is your choice, that depends upon you. Means this value change from equation to equation. Now we have got what is constant and what is variable. Combination of these two values forms a term. Okay, we are going through the basic terms of polynomials. So combination of these two means constant and variables forms a term. In the term we have both positive as well as negative, or we have the constant and the variables. Here suppose that I am taking 4xy. It is a term. Okay, so you can see here it is in the term of multiplication. So term can be in the term of multiplication and division. It will not be in the term of addition and subtraction. Here we can also say that 4x square, it is also a term. 6xy square, this is also a term. So here we are utilizing various constant and variables to represent a term. When these terms are combined in the sense of addition and subtraction, like this, here 6y square plus 4x square minus 4xy, I have utilized all three terms only. When these terms are combined with each other, they are called as polynomials. They are called as polynomials. Means we can say that what is the polynomials? Polynomials is the combination of terms which consist of constant and variables, which is used to represent an polynomials. There are various type of polynomials which have already studied in your previous classes. On the basis of terms, we can distribute them in various, like monomials, binomials, trinomials. In monomials we have only one term. In binomials we have two terms. Okay, and in trinomials we have three terms. So these were on the basis of terms. So we can take an example here. This one is 4x. It is a monomial. If we take the example of binomial, we can go through like this: 4x square plus y. If we go through the trinomials, it should be having the three terms. Here it can be written like 4x square, 7y square minus 7xy. Okay, so these are the terms which indicates which one is the monomial, which one is binomial, and which one is trinomial. So these were on the basis of terms. Now on the basis of power, on the basis of power or degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomials, we can again distribute them in various parts. Okay, we can again distribute them in various parts. So before going to the varieties of polynomials on the basis of degree, we will come to know what is the degree of a polynomial. Okay, firstly, degree of polynomials. Suppose that I am writing an equation here like this: 3x cube plus 7y square plus 8z to the power 4. So you can look at the polynomial. It is given that x is having the power 3, y is having the power 2, and z is having the power 4. So the greatest power, which is the z's power, that greatest power is known as the degree of polynomial. That is known as the degree of any given polynomial. So on the basis of degree, we can divide it into linear equation or linear polynomial, linear equation or polynomial. Linear equation means an equation which has only one as degree. Its degree is always 1. You can look at here 4xy 7yz, means here all the power is 1. So maximum power should be 1. That type of equation is known as the linear equation. And after that we are having the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, or you can say that quadratic polynomial. In quadratic equations, we have the degree 2. In this type of polynomials, we have the maximum power, that is 2. You can go through here like this: 4x square z or 7xyz square. You can look at these equations here. The maximum power is 2. It is not mandatory that it should be in the monomials. It can be in the binomials like this here: 7x square plus 7x plus z. It can be like this also. So only thing is that in polynomial, in the given polynomial, the maximum power should be the 2. That is known as the quadratic polynomial. After that we have the third one, that is the cubic polynomial. Okay, cubic polynomial, as per the name, you can go through that. Cubic means 3. Cubic polynomials. In the cubic polynomials, we have the maximum degree, that is 3. Okay, you can get the example here like 7x cube plus 4x square plus 9x. So here you can see that the maximum power is 3. So this type of polynomial is known as the cubic polynomials. So this is the basic things and types of polynomials which we have studied. So you can see here that in a polynomial there can be various number of variables. Means we can use x, y, z, whatever. But in this chapter we are going to study only one variable equations. We are going to study only one variable equations. That will be like y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So we are going to utilize only one equation, only one variable, that is x. This type of equations you have studied in standard 9 also, and in that class you have studied how to represent them on the graph. So in this class also we will represent them on the graph, but in a different manner or in a different way. So here we are going to only study on the x-axis. In this chapter you will study only about the x-axis, and the general formula for the equation will be y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So this was all about the polynomials, types of polynomials, and what we are going to study in this class. Rest we will continue in the next video. Till then, have a nice day.